Many outside observers associate tarot with the powers only fortune tellers or psychics possess. However, the best tarot decks are designed for beginners to consult the cards when in need of insights into various choices and circumstances. Tarot is believed to be a conduit that helps provide clarity around certain situations, or light the path when we are at an important crossroads in our lives. Whatever your reasons are for exploring the art of tarot, opening your first deck will begin a journey of profound insight and deeper understanding of the self. Read on to discover the 6 top-rated tarot cards for beginners, plus a couple you may want to avoid. And now for the lightofhappiness.com's reviews of the 6 best tarot decks for beginners plus 2 to avoid. Coming in at number 1, The Ultimate Guide to Tarot, a beginner's guide to the cards, spreads, and revealing the mystery of the tarot by Liz Dean. The Ultimate Guide to Tarot, a beginner's guide to the cards, spreads, and revealing the mystery of the tarot by Liz Dean. Described as a must-have companion for beginner readers, this book is the perfect partner to your first tarot deck. Through reading, you will discover the complex history of tarot, learn about the myths, and uncover the mysteries behind the spiritual art. This Ultimate Guide to Tarot by Liz Dean not only honors the heritage of tarot, but also takes you through many different practical techniques and interpretations. The author, Liz Dean, is a tarot expert and gives you gifts with a complete overview of all the traditional cards, including their symbology, astrology, and numerology. The 3 essential components of a successful tarot reading are explained thoroughly: knowing the meaning of the cards, knowing the layouts, and trusting in the messages given to you. Study of this book will complement the best tarot decks for beginners by teaching you how to get the most out of your cards. Coming in at number 2, The Good Tarot by Colette Baron-Reid. The Good Tarot by Colette Baron-Reid. This tarot deck holds its roots in traditional tarot, yet differs slightly from the original deck. These cards are more simple and modern, focusing on positivity, transformation, and personal growth. Aimed at increasing the appeal to new and experienced tarot readers alike, complete with 78 cards designed to reflect the human experience, and an informative guidebook. The Good Tarot by Colette Baron-Reid is undoubtedly one of the best decks to learn with. Unlike original tarot, these cards are all positive and made to be read in the present. This means the reader is free from negative forecasts and warnings. That being said, all the traditional spreads still can be applied to the deck as the formations are very similar, and you can still achieve accurate and profound insights. These cards act as a guiding light in the darkness of uncertainty and will provide you with ability to deeply understand your circumstances and give clarity around your decisions. Coming in at number 3, The Oracle Tarot Cards by Lucy Cavendish. The Oracle Tarot Cards by Lucy Cavendish. These beautifully illustrated Oracle Tarot cards were created by author and self-proclaimed witch Lucy Cavendish. Cavendish is well-attuned with the magical work of ancient cultures, as well as being a scholar of anthropology and psychology. Her knowledge seeps through into her work, creating mystical and magical cards with delightful imagery. This 64-card deck by Cavendish comes in an extra-large size with detailed artwork, making them the best illustrated tarot cards on the market. Through the assistance of this included guidebook, you will learn how to improve your health, create positive affirmations, and improve your relationships. Cavendish can help you uncover your personal truths in all areas of your life, using positivity, light, and genuine insight. Looking to learn more about the 6 best tarot cards for beginners in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Easy Tarot by Josephine Ellershaw. Easy Tarot by Josephine Ellershaw, created especially for beginners. This kit is the best starter tarot deck on the market. Using a traditional tarot deck of 78 cards combined with the Easy Tarot Handbook, you will be able to learn the tips, tricks, and techniques of even the most experienced tarot readers. The artwork on these Easy Tarot cards is appealing, and the language used in the book is inviting and informative. The author, Josephine Ellershaw, selflessly shares her lifetime of tarot knowledge in a generous and easy-to-understand manner. The artist, Ciro Marchetti, has had an extensive career working in art and design, which has taken him all over the world to places including Europe, South America, and the United States. He now creates visionary art and gives lectures on digital imagery and illustration at universities in Florida. Coming in at number 5, The Aquarian Tarot Deck Cards by Palladini David. The Aquarian Tarot Deck Cards by Palladini David. The Aquarian Tarot updates the traditional medieval imagery into the more Aquarian age. This Aquarian Tarot deck by Palladini David is renowned as the deck that originally reimagined the medieval symbolism and translated it for the age of Aquarius. A popular favorite amongst many tarot readers, this deck comes with 78 cards and an 8-page booklet instructing layouts and interpretations. The artwork is incomparable and has been shaping the tarot scene for over 20 years. This deck is somewhat of a collectible, and as a beginner, you may also need to purchase a guidebook to help you as you grow accustomed to it. However, this vintage deck is the best Aquarian tarot deck on the market, and an essential to every tarot reader's collection, regardless of their experience. Coming in at number 6, Universal Waite Tarot Deck and Book Set. Universal Waite Tarot Deck and Book Set. Universal Waite Tarot has artwork based on the original line drawings of the Rider Waite Smith by Pamela Coleman Smith. However, Mary Hanson Roberts, the creator of Hanson Roberts Tarot, was commissioned to reimagine the Rider-Waite Smith deck. The result was a more subtly and attractively colorful tarot set, renamed the Universal Waite Tarot deck. The first deck of this kind appeared in the early 1990s, and since then it has become a popular favorite. This particular deck comes with a guidebook to ensure that even beginners can get full use of the cards and the insights they inspire. The Universal Waite Tarot deck is widely known for its depth of traditional spiritual symbolism contained in both the imagery and meanings. This deck contains all the original messages of the Rider-Waite Tarot, with added vibrancy throughout the artwork. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite tarot deck for beginners. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates. And now for Lightness.com's Tarot Deck to Avoid. The Pocket Rider Waite Tarot Deck by A.E. Waite. The Pocket Rider Waite Tarot Deck by A.E. Waite. This deck is a replica of the very first tarot deck published in 1910. The familiar style has become one of the most popular in the world, reaching households across the globe. Every serious tarot card reader and collector will have a version of this deck amongst their most valuable possessions. However, this particular set does not include a guidebook, and the cards arrive poorly made and often in different sizes. As a beginner, these cards could actually put you off the art of tarot. The shabby production makes the artwork look cartoonish and lacking in detail and clarity. The original illustrations are vibrant and beautiful. Many tarot readers believe they deserve to be portrayed in a way that not only preserves this, but amplifies it. Avoid the Pocket Rider Waite tarot deck to avoid certain disappointment, and instead opt for one of the higher quality decks listed above. Avoid Royo Dark Tarot by Lo Scarabeo. Royo Dark Tarot by Lo Scarabeo. Using the artwork of popular fantasy artist Louis Royo, this deck claims to be based on the traditional Rider-Waite-Smith tarot. However, these cards seem to have no resemblance to original tarot at all. There are almost no links between the cards themselves or to the tradition they claim to be affiliated with. The artwork on the Royo Dark Tarot cards is sexually provocative and are extremely lacking in symbolism. Unfortunately, this deck is one of the many that have nothing to do with the art of tarot and are simply pictures with loose meanings attached. If you enjoy the artwork of Royo, these cards are for you. However, if you want to start reading tarot, this is one of the worst tarot decks for beginners on the market. Looking to learn more on buying one of the best tarot decks for beginners? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find the review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite tarot deck for beginners. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates. And now for lightofhappiness.com's final thoughts on buying one of the best tarot decks for beginners. When finding the best tarot deck for you, there is no right or wrong answer. Intuition is important when choosing a deck. Go with the one you feel most connected to, and when using them, make sure to shuffle them mindfully and carefully, drawing each one with purpose. The deck you choose to start your journey with tarot will bring you many profound insights and will no doubt become your trusted partner when faced with a difficult choice or situation.